Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Peter. Hi, everyone. I'm happy to be here today.
How are you, Lily? And how is everyone at home?
I'm great, thank you, and I hope you are all doing well too.
It's a lovely morning here, and we have a nice topic for today.
Yes, we will have a real English conversation, just like friends chatting.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like.
It really helps us a lot. And please share the video with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, Lily, are you ready to begin our conversation practice?
I'm ready, Peter. Let's start talking about our day and simple everyday topics.
So, you said it's a lovely morning. Is it sunny where you are?
Yes, it's sunny and a little breezy, which makes me feel cheerful.
I also enjoy breezy days because they feel fresh and pleasant.
Is it warm where you are, or is it a cool morning today?
It is warm, but not too hot, just comfortable for a walk.
A perfect day for walking and spending time outside. Sounds wonderful.
What did you do this morning, Lily? Anything special or routine?
This morning, I woke up early, had a small breakfast, and watered my plants.
For me, I made a cup of tea and read a short article to start calmly.
Breakfast is important, so what did you have to eat today, Peter?
I had toast with avocado and a boiled egg. Simple and tasty.
I had yogurt with banana and strawberries, which felt refreshing and light.
Do you prefer coffee or tea in the morning, Lily?
I usually drink green tea because it helps me focus and feel calm.
I prefer coffee, 1 medium cup, to wake up and start the day.
After breakfast, did you go out for a walk or stay at home?
I went for a short walk around my neighborhood and visited the small park.
I also walked in a park recently where the trees were full of birds.
Are there many trees in your park? And do you enjoy the flowers there?
Yes, there are big trees and bright flower beds with many pretty colors.
Cherry blossoms in spring create a magical scene with petals on the ground.
That pink carpet of petals is a beautiful image I always remember.
After your walk, what did you do to continue a peaceful morning?
I watered my balcony plants and practiced some English phrases aloud.
I practiced speaking with a friend online, which helped me build confidence.
Speaking with others is a great way to improve and feel less nervous.
What are your plans for the afternoon? Do you have anything scheduled?
I will go to the market to buy vegetables and fresh bread for lunch.
I have a small meeting with a friend about a new project this afternoon.
Later, I might watch a short documentary about urban gardens and city food.
That sounds inspiring because small urban gardens help communities in many ways.
By the way, do you have any pets, Peter? Or do you want one soon?
I used to have a dog, and I hope to get another dog one day for walks.
I have a cat named Bella who is playful sometimes and likes to sleep a lot.
What color is Bella? And does she like to watch birds from the window?
Bella is soft gray with bright green eyes, and she loves to watch birds.
Dogs often dream of chasing squirrels and wake up with funny movements.
Pets bring joy and routine, and they make walks and home life happier.
Do you have brothers or sisters, Lily? And are you close to them?
Yes, I have an older sister, and we talk often and support each other.
I have a younger brother, and we enjoy cooking together on weekends sometimes.
Family time is precious, and visiting parents often creates warm memories.
My parents live in another city, but we try to meet during holidays.
We usually share a big family dinner with many dishes and laughter together.
What is your mother's special dish that you always enjoy at family meals?
My mother makes a traditional stew that tastes simple but full of love.
My family often has grilled fish and a homemade dessert that everyone loves.
Homemade desserts bring back childhood memories and make meals complete.
Speaking of food, what sandwich do you like the most for a quick meal?
I enjoy a tuna sandwich with lettuce and a little mayonnaise for flavor.
I love a grilled cheese sandwich with tomato because it is warm and comforting.
After the market, will you cook something fresh for lunch or keep it simple?
I might prepare a big salad with grilled vegetables and crusty bread to share.
That sounds healthy and perfect for a warm day when light food is best.
Do you enjoy movies? And what type of films make you feel relaxed?
I like light comedies and heartwarming stories that make me smile and relax.
I enjoy comedies and thoughtful dramas, and sometimes a film about animals too.
A movie about a dog and a child's friendship always touches my heart.
Films about friends going on adventures are fun and full of laughs.
What kind of music do you listen to when you cook or clean at home?
I like upbeat pop for cooking, and soft jazz when I want to unwind.
I prefer calm acoustic piano music for reading and studying to help focus.
Different moods need different music, and both choices are wonderful.
If you could travel anywhere for food and culture, where would you go, Peter?
I would love to visit Japan for the temples, gardens, and delicious sushi.
I dream of Italy for the pasta, pizza, gelato, and beautiful historic cities.
Travel teaches us new words, new tastes, and beautiful places to remember.
For now, practicing English together on the channel is our small, happy journey.
Small steps every day make big improvements, so keep speaking and smiling.
Thank you everyone for listening, and we will continue our chat in part 2 soon.
Welcome back, everyone, to part 2 of our friendly English conversation on Mr. Peter channel.
Thank you for joining us again, and I'm excited to continue our chat today.
Lily, what did you enjoy most about your morning before we started recording?
I enjoyed the quiet moment with my tea because it helped me relax and think clearly.
I liked the fresh air during my morning walk because it made me feel awake and energized.
Morning walks are wonderful, especially when the weather is soft and calm.
Speaking of weather, do you have a favorite season during the year?
My favorite season is spring because the flowers bloom and everything feels new.
I prefer autumn because the cool air and colorful leaves make me feel peaceful.
Both seasons are beautiful in their own ways and always inspire people.
Besides walking and reading, what other hobbies do you enjoy, Lily?
I love drawing, gardening on my balcony, and sometimes baking cookies.
Those sound lovely. And I enjoy photography, cooking, and learning new expressions.
Photography is a creative hobby because it teaches you to notice small moments.
Do you have a favorite picture that you took recently, Lily?
Yes, I took a picture of a small bird sitting on a branch with the sunrise behind it.
That sounds beautiful. And I recently captured a street filled with warm lights at dusk.
Warm lights always create a cozy feeling and make photos look magical.
Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out with friends?
I prefer cooking at home because it's healthier and helps me learn new recipes.
I like both because restaurants are fun with friends, but home-cooked meals feel personal.
That's true, and cooking together is a great way to bond with others.
Do you like spicy food or do you prefer mild flavors?
I like a little spice, but nothing too strong because my tongue gets tired quickly.
I enjoy mild spice as well, though sometimes I try spicy dishes for excitement.
Trying new flavors is always an adventure, especially in different cultures.
Speaking of cultures, do you use English often in your daily life, Lily?
Yes, I use English at work to read emails, join meetings, and talk to foreign coworkers.
I use English daily too,
because I prepare lessons, record videos, and speak with students.
Do you ever feel nervous when speaking English with new people?
I used to feel nervous, but practice helped me stay calm and confident.
Practice really does make everything easier, even small conversations.
Do you watch English shows to improve listening skills?
Yes, I watch simple dramas and kids shows because the language is clear and slow.
I like watching interviews and documentaries because the vocabulary is natural.
Good listening habits help a lot in learning how real people speak English.
Now, tell me about your best friend, Lily. Do you see her often?
Yes, my best friend Anna and I meet for coffee almost every weekend.
That's great. And my friend Mark and I enjoy hiking and exploring new cafes.
Friends make life warmer, happier, and more interesting.
What do you enjoy doing when friends visit your home?
We cook together, talk about life, and sometimes play board games.
My friends and I sometimes visit local food markets to try new snacks.
Food markets are full of amazing smells and exciting new dishes.
Do you enjoy learning new languages besides English?
Yes, I like learning small phrases in different languages when I travel.
I also enjoy learning greetings from other countries because it opens doors.
People feel happy when we try to speak their language, even just a few words.
If you could choose any animal to be your friendly companion, what would you choose?
I would choose a golden retriever because they are loving and playful.
I might choose a colorful parrot because they talk and have fun personalities.
A parrot would make your home lively with jokes and bright colors.
Pets always bring joy and help us relax after a busy day.
Yes, and they teach us responsibility, love, and patience.
We talked about many topics today: food, family, plans, hobbies, and travel.
Yes, and each topic helps learners practice simple sentences and build confidence.
In conversations, asking follow-up questions is important to keep the talk flowing.
Phrases like, "That sounds nice," or "I understand," make conversations friendly.
Beginners should also practice talking about easy topics like weather and daily routines.
Short, simple conversations help build speaking skills step by step.
Listeners, try speaking English for just 5 minutes a day to see progress.
And don't worry about mistakes, because mistakes help you improve faster.
Lily, what did you enjoy learning from our conversation today?
I learned many small expressions and practiced speaking naturally with you.
And I enjoyed listening to your answers because they were clear and friendly.
I hope our listeners had fun and learned useful phrases for everyday English.
We would love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us what you did today.
Yes, share something simple, like what you ate for breakfast or your afternoon plan.
Thank you for spending time with us on Mr. Peter Channel.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy your English journey.
See you in the next lesson, everyone.
Bye-bye, and take care.